are at room 8278. This is a balcony stateroom on Adventure of the Seas. So when you walk in the room, this is what you see right away. You have a gorgeous view of right outside on the balcony. You've got the bed facing sideways. You have a nice view of the TV. TV's right here. Right above the TV, we have a safe. Some shelves for storage up top here. And right down below, we have a fridge. It's not really a fridge, it's more of a cooler. They don't want you to put dairy and whatnot in here, but it'll keep your sodas and waters cold right there. A bunch of shelves and drawers right there. At the vanity, here you have two 120 plugs and a light switch for the vanity. You have a 230 volt plug, which is the European style. Here's a little trick. Go on Amazon and buy the adapter so you can have an extra plug in the room. You've got little shelves along in here on both sides of the vanity. Moving towards the front of the room, there's the door. And as you walk in, you have your closet. You've got a bunch of shelves on the one side of the closet. Hanging bar, hang your other stuff here. Your suitcases fit in here just fine. You can ask your room attendant for more hangers if you need them. On the other side of the wall, you've got the bathroom. It's a decent sized bathroom. You've got 4 hooks on the back of the door. You can ask for more towels from your room attendant. This is what the shower looks like with doors, no shower curtains. Shower curtains are just not fun to deal with in a cruise ship. Bathroom is a good size. You have the end table here. Nice sized bed, 2 lights. Another end table on the other side. We're going to go outside and I'll show you what the balcony looks like. It's a little rusty. It's not a lot of room, but this is a lot more private than a lot of balconies on the newer ships. This is an older ship. We're actually at Terminal 5 in Port Canaveral today. There's a lot of ships in. So this is what the view in Terminal 5 is in Port Canaveral, Florida. So you see how you have a glass partition here, but there's not really an easy way for people to poke around, look around. I guess they can look through that crack there. But on the other side, it's a complete metal wall. So you've got a lot more privacy and you're kind of in this little metal nook on the ship. So it's actually pretty nice. So just hang out in here, a lot more private than a normal balcony might be. This is what the room looks like from the balcony looking forward. So as always, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
We pretend to be surprised, but it happens every time. I was lost and magnetized.